If you've ever dreamed of building a digital product business but didn't know where to start, this tool changes everything. With EbookWriter AI, you can create and sell ebooks faster than ever, even if you've never written a single word before. Here's how it works. Start by entering your niche or topic, whether it's fitness, parenting, finance, or motivation, and EbookWriter AI instantly generates a full professional ebook for you. It organizes chapters, adds structure, and even formats everything for publishing. Next, you can design your ebook cover and make it ready for Amazon KDP, Gumroad, or your own website, all inside the same platform. Once your ebook is live, you can repeat the process in different niches, building an entire library of digital products that bring in income month after month. This is how smart creators and entrepreneurs are building passive income streams without writing or hiring freelancers. EbookWriter AI handles the hard parts so you can focus on marketing, growing your audience, and scaling your business. Ready to start your own digital product business the easy way? Click the link in the description and launch your first ebook day with EbookWriter AI.